Risa Ontiveros, no, itong senador na ito na nakakahiya talaga. Parang sinasabi niya, si PRRD inutusan niya na patayin, no, to give orders to kill. And PRRD said, these are graduates of the Philippine Military Academy. And may mga pinag-aralan ito. You think I would say something like that and they would say yes? And that's true. I know them because my husband's also a PMAer, so hindi mo sila pwedeng diktahan ng ganyan. So, sa madaling salita, even he said it publicly, but even privately, it's very consistent what he says, no? Yung respeto niya sa men and women in uniform. Lagi, when we are in despair, he'll say, no, don't. We have to trust them. Totoo yan sa atin. So, yun yung gusto ko. Binabalik niya yung respeto. Lalo for us na-experience natin yung pambababoy na ginawa ng isang general na yan, di ba?
Opo,